Understanding distant perspective, a guide to broadening your view. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that can truly enrich your vocabulary: distant perspective. This phrase offers a unique way to look at situations, problems, or even life itself. Stick around as we explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's so powerful in both language and thought. Distant perspective refers to the idea of looking at a situation, problem, or concept from a broad, detached viewpoint. Imagine standing on a mountaintop, looking down at a landscape below. From this distance, you can see everything at once, rather than focusing on the small details. In the context of thinking or problem-solving, adopting a distant perspective means considering the bigger picture, rather than getting lost in the minutiae. Adopting a distant perspective can be incredibly beneficial. It allows us to see beyond immediate problems and understand their place in a larger context. Make more informed decisions by considering a wider range of factors and potential outcomes. Reduce the impact of bias or emotion on our thought processes, leading to more rational and objective thinking. Using distant perspective in conversation or writing signals that you're thinking broadly or advising others to do so. For example, taking a distant perspective might help us see solutions we've missed. From a distant perspective, this issue isn't as daunting as it seems. It's a versatile phrase that fits well into discussions about strategy, planning, personal growth, and even philosophical debates. Many great thinkers and writers have emphasized the value of a distant perspective. For instance, in literature, characters might gain crucial insights by stepping back from their situations. In speeches, leaders often encourage a distant perspective to inspire a sense of unity and shared purpose. We hope this exploration of distant perspective has opened up new avenues of thought for you. Remember, sometimes stepping back is the best way to see where you're going. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to look at life with a broad view every now and then. See you in our next video.